want to feed them this piece.
Do you want to squish some bread before we throw it in?
Yeah.
Whoa, a perfect tread. There you go. Hey, wait for me! Wait for me! Just want to be their friends. Oh my goodness, what is going on here? All of these little acorns have faces on them. Look at this one.
Kitty.
That's hilarious.
And this one.
And that one. Hey everyone, we're at a park today and we're gonna be ramping our monster trucks and I have Zoe with me. Say hi.
Hi.
And I have Ash Ketchum with me.
No, it's Brooke.
It's Brooks. So not Ash Ketchum, it's just Brooks. And I'm Funny Feelings.
Hello. I'm Wonder Woman.
Oh, Wonder Woman! Yeah! Hey, let's go ramping and feed the ducks at the park! Okay, let's go do that. That sounds awesome. Look at this hill! Hey, do you want to race down it?
Yes.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
I win!
Oh, no! I win! Funny Feelings with the farthest!
Yeah.
Woohoo! High wheel!
Yeah.
Come on, Wonder Woman, you can make it! And she's gone. Wait for us, we're coming! Look, there's a pond, and way over there are some ducks. Let's go feed them! I got the bread! Here I come! Run! Hey, Wonder Woman, I've got the bread. Do you want to feed the ducks?
Yes. I want to feed the ducks.
All right, let's get some bread and feed these ducks. All right, I'm gonna throw my bread in and then I'll give some to you two. Here they come. Ha!
I want to feed them now. Here you go, ducks. They did it.
I'm gonna throw a whole loaf in. Ready?
I'm gonna throw a whole piece in.
Okay, there you go. Ready? Throw it in. Wow, they really like that bread. Okay, now I'm gonna ramp it into the water. Ready? Okay, you count.
1, 2, 3, go!
Hey, Tiger Shark, do you want to squish some bread before we throw it in? We could squish it with our wheels.
Yeah.
All right, let's squish it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Look at that, there's tire marks all over the bread. Let me see yours. Whoa, you have tire treads too. All right, now I'm gonna do it. Whoa, a perfect tread. Let's try that the other way. Whoa. All right, I'm gonna feed my tire tread bread to the ducks. Ready, set, go. Whoa. Hey, Zoe, can you squish up an entire piece of bread in your hands and then throw it?
Yeah?
All right, show me.
I'm doing it.
Oh, yeah, like Brooks. Look at that. Let me see, Brooks. Whoa.
It's a magic ball.
Let's see how far you can throw it. Okay, ready? Throw it.
Ugh.
Way over there. Good job, Brooks. Let me watch you throw yours, Zoe. Go. Hey, Sarah, can you squish it into a ball so you can see how far you can throw it? Oh, yeah, for sure. I really want to do that. That sounds cool. Okay, here I go. You ready? Okay, let's keep throwing bread to these ducks. Hey, look, Zoe, there's some ducks and geese right over there.
I hope they don't bite us.
We'll just offer them some food and hopefully they won't want to bite us if they know we have food. Here we go, I'm gonna offer them a piece. Hey, goose, here you go. It doesn't seem to want it. Wait, there it goes. gonna give the rest of my bread to these ducks over here. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Feed them this piece.
Was that a cool backflip?
That was really cool, Wonder Woman.
Oh yeah.
All right, feed them the rest of them, Brooks.
Well, I like eating bread, and it's my favorite.
All right, I'm gonna drive up and see if he'll be my new friend. Ready? Hey, wait for me! Wait for me! I just want to be their friends. Aw, they went in the water. I just wanted to be their friend. Bye, goose. Bye, ducks. Brooks, do you have more bread left over? Well, don't eat it. Feed it to the ducks. Hey, Monster Trucks, thanks for helping us feed these ducks some bread. We really appreciate it. Oh, you're welcome. We're so glad we got to be with you. Okay, everyone, we're gonna go film some more videos with Axel and Patrick and River, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye. Can you say bye, Zoe?
Bye. Thanks for watching.